tell? The moon is hiding so what can you tell? The sun is in the center of your soul, 'cause when I see you, well, my day just seems to brighter, 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 yeah. Can you see the ocean when you say goodbye? Can you see how time just seems to fly by? Can you see that you're free from your past and your future? Welcome you to a new. When we kiss, angels seem to sing of love. And I miss, baby, you still bring my love. What a blissful peace and she brings for me, but I'll be on my way. Just let me hold hands. Will I get butterflies inside? I know, man, that's the girl I wish was mine. I wish I was him, but I'm not. I just thought that maybe she liked me too, and maybe she do, and maybe it's me, maybe I'm overdue, thinking too much, overthinking it's true. And I'm asking myself, baby, what do I do? 'Cause I'm walking on clouds and I'm dreaming about you. Who am I? I don't know. To deny your love and crystallize. Midnight sky is calling. Who am I? Who am I? To deny your love and hypnotize. By your eyes I'm loving.
Alright, so these quarter panels are gonna get skim coated pretty much completely. So I'm just applying my first layer of Bondo to get the general form and fix any of the big dents that were here, any ripples, dents. And then right after this dries, I'm gonna sand it down and I'll make a thinner mixture of Bondo, and I'll skim coat the whole quarter panel on both sides, just to get rid of any little ripples and imperfections.
The moon is hiding so what can you tell? The sun is in the center of your soul, 'cause when I see you, well, my day just seems to brighter.
Alright, so I'm using like a Bondo resin to thin out the Bondo for the final coat on the whole panel. So put some in. I want it really thin so it goes on super smooth. So yeah, then you mix it into the Bondo and then you put your hardener in and it applies like glass.
I miss, baby, you still bring my love. What a blissful peace and she brings for me, but I'll be on my way. Just let me hold hands. Will I get butterflies inside? And I know, man, that's the girl I wish was mine. I wish I was him, but I'm not. I just thought that maybe she liked me too, and maybe she do, and maybe it's me, maybe I'm overdue, thinking too much, overthinking it's true. And I'm asking myself, baby, what do I do? 'Cause I'm walking on clouds and I'm dreaming about you. Who am I? To deny your love and crystallize. Midnight sky is calling. Who am I? Who am I? To deny your love and hypnotize. By your eyes I'm loving.
So I skimmed these quarter panels yesterday and sent them down earlier today. Now I'm just glazing a few spots with imperfections, such as the flare, and I taped up so that I can have a clean line. It'd be easy to sand it. So like I said, I taped this line up, and now that this is dry, it's pretty clean for me to just feather in. So I don't have to sand this flare much, I just have to smooth it out. Because the more I sand on it, the more high spots are gonna start showing and it's gonna unlevel. this looks like a lot of Bondo, but this is like it's a hot rod technique. It's skim coating. This car was black and it showed a lot of little imperfections, like little wrinkles and stuff from over the years of, I don't know, random hating on it and all of that. So I sanded down and this is all skimmed. The panel should be pretty flat when it's painted now. Any color that we go with, it should be pretty good. Hopefully tomorrow we'll add a layer of primer on it so that that layer can harden up. I could sand that and then add another layer. Other than the quarter panels, we skim coated the top of the trunk as well. Same thing, it's low down and you can see imperfections in it. So I decided to get rid of that because I know on my car I have little imperfections on my trunk and stuff. So yeah, you live and you learn. Hopefully this turned out really nice. This is actually my first time skim coating stuff. I've never actually done bodywork as a career or anything. It was always just for fun. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results, and you guys should skim coat some stuff too.